Alright, here's an unboxing of my alternator custom built from Mike Singer. Let's get this open. Oh, I've been waiting very patiently. What we got here? Nice. Little keychain. Some cool stickers. Alright, let's get this bad boy out. Alright, we got another box. Let's get this open. Oh, I'm so excited. I went by the parts store and the belts he helped me find or picked out that should fit this. They don't have in stock at O'Reilly's. Interesting package material. Nice. I'm going to pause the video real quick. Cable. Alright. Still. Oh, this looks beautiful. Alright. Fingers crossed this fits, because the other one from JS Alternator did it. He had to get this housing from Europe. So, alright. Anyway, that's my unboxing video. Techmaster170 signing out.